Up on the pier?
Yeah, buddy. Cute little ducky. The bluebird, and iconic symbol nostalgic of the early traveling days to Florida circa 1950, was a roadside attraction. All right. It's kind of like the giant T-Rex there on Beach Boulevard.
Yeah.
It's kind of a roadside like thing. Hey, buddy. Yep. I'm looking down there, so Vader has to look down there. Hey, buddy. Whoop. There, oh, yeah. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for helping me maneuver through those people. Yeah. No, no, you don't need to mark that one.
You got him hooked up, don't you?
Right, right? Yep, nope. Stay away from that, buddy. Come on. It'd be nicer if there wasn't any clouds, but hey.
Beautiful dog.
Thank you, thank you. Come on. Let's go see if we can see a whale. Maybe we can see a North Atlantic right whale. Probably not. You want to go? Come on. Let's try going in this way. Let's see if we can go down the gangplank to the floating dock. Don't worry, I won't let you fall in, but I can tell you're being cautious. You have not been down one of these before. And you're not sure what to think about that. All right. Pause. Come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Now. Okay. Now, we're gonna walk down here to the end and we'll come back, okay? And I'm gonna hold on to this. Come on. Come on. Up, 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 up. Let me get on this side of you. Okay. Come on. We'll go this way. Come on. We'll do a little controlled walk down this way, okay? That way you're not getting too close to the edge and you're not risking pulling me in over the water. You go with that one? I'm good with that one. I'm really good with that one. Ooh, St. Augustine Lighthouse. Yeah. Yeah, you're doing great, buddy. You're doing amazing. Yes, you are. You are doing amazing. Someone pulled up a fishing pole. All right. Oh, buddy. Look, there's a whole bunch of little minnows around in here. We're not going to go in the water, though, okay? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Look at the view. We got downtown St. Augustine right over there. We got the St. Augustine Lighthouse right over there. And, oh yeah, the Vilano Beach Bridge. And, wow. This looks great. Oh, no sir, you don't get to eat that one.